Floors wear, floors tear. Floors for sure need floor care. What better method of floor care than periodic scrubbing followed by wet vacuuming using one of India's most proven combination of the Cam Scrub and the Cam Vac. The Cam Scrub comes in two sizes, the Cam Scrub Standard and the Cam Scrub Major, each of which is capable of scrubbing at the rate of 425 to 525 square meters per hour respectively. The Cam Scrub uses the unique 3-brush cleaning system with planetary action, which ensures drag-free operation, resulting in total stability of the machine. This stability is indeed a boon to any operator as it relieves him of total fatigue, thereby enabling him work longer hours. The strategically located induction motor ensures uniform cleaning quality by creating uniform pressure across the cleaning surface. The Cam Scrub has a host of other advantages. It can be used for both polishing and scarifying with a change of brush. The forward-reverse switch ensures both clockwise and anti-clockwise brush rotation, resulting in even wear and longer brush life. The cleaning solution is regulated through a handheld control and fed through the center of each brush, resulting in uniform application and no splashing. Lastly, the floating brush table ensures automatic alignment to the floor as and when required, resulting in uniform cleaning pressure. The Cam Scrub, when used for scrubbing, is immediately followed by the Cam Vac CVC, the wet pickup, which is facilitated by its wide 600 mm floor nozzle and a large 30-liter collection tank. This machine comes in both mild steel and stainless steel options and is powered by a powerful universal motor, creating a vacuum of 1800 millimeters of water gauge at displacement of 160 meter cube per hour. These machines are indigenously manufactured and brought to you from Cam Avida, ensuring easy and immediate availability of spares at affordable prices. Last but not the least, each of these machines are designed keeping in mind the unskilled local operator, therefore robust in design and user-friendly in operation, which is why there are more than 1,000 such machines in use nationwide.